Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can log out of the Viver in this particular device. So this is my Android device. I'm going to teach you guys a very easy step to log out from Viver in your phone. So now firstly what you need to do is just go to your home screen and then go to settings of your phone, then go to apps like this, and over here just search for Viver. Wait a minute, and then just go all the way down where you can find Viver, and then over here just go to data uses. Oh no, what you can do is from here just go to for stories. It's loading. Wait, it's loading. Let it load. So it's taking some time, guys. So once it is over here, what you need to do is you need to press clear data and just delete it, and then now go to Viver, and now you'll be logged out of the Viver like this. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.